Mr. Appleton, the committee's patience is wearing thin.
Yes, I understand that, Mr. Chairman. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. But it occurs to me that there's a bigger issue here today than whether or not I'm a communist.
Bigger issue? Mr. Appleton, there is no bigger issue.
Actually, not to be contrary, I think there is. Gosh, I don't quite know what to say here. The fact is, I've never been a man of great conviction. I never saw the percentage in it. And quite frankly, I suppose I lack the courage. See, I'm not like Luke Trimble. He had the market cornered on those things. I never met the guy, but I feel like I've gotten to know him. The thing is, I can't help wondering what he'd say if he were standing here right now. You know, I think he'd probably tell you the America represented in this room is not the America he died defending. I think he'd tell you your America is bitter and cruel and small. I know for a fact his America was big. Bigger than you can imagine. With a wide open heart. Where every person has a voice.
You are out of order,
Even if you don't like what they have to say.
Enough, sir. You are out of order.
If he were here, I wonder how you'd respond. If you could explain to him what happened to his America.
Mr. Appleton, you are skating on the very thin edge of contempt.
Well, that's the first thing I've heard today that I completely agree with.
Mr. Chairman! Mr. Chairman, my client is clearly under an enormous strain as a direct result of the belligerent questioning of Mr. Clyde, and he is therefore not responsible for his comments. At this time, we wish to invoke the Fifth Amendment.
No, we don't.
Yes, Pete, we do.
No, Kevin, we don't. So knock it off!
Shut the heck up and let me get through this.
The Fifth Amendment is out of the question. But there is another amendment that I'd like to invoke. I wonder if anyone here is familiar with it. Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion.
Mr. Appleton, you're out of order.
Congress shall make no law respecting an establishment of religion, or prohibiting the free exercise thereof, or abridging the freedom of speech, or of the press, or of the right of the people peaceably to assemble and petition the government for a redress of grievances.
Will not presume to lecture this committee,
It's the First Amendment, Mr. Chairman. It's everything we're about, if only we'd live up to it.
Let him talk. He's just hanging himself.
It's the most important part of the contract every citizen has with this country. And even though these contracts, the Constitution, and the Bill of Rights, even though they're just pieces of paper with signatures on them, they're the only contracts we have that are most definitely not subject to renegotiation. Not by you, Mr. Chairman.
Mr. Appleton.
Not by you, Mr. Clyde.
You will stand down, sir.
Not by anyone. Ever. Too many people have paid for this contract in blood.
Enough, sir. You are out of order.
People like Luke Trimble. And all the sons of Lawson, California.
Damn right. They deserve better than this. All you boys do.
I will have order or I will clear this chamber.
You get right down to it, fellas. That's all I really have to say.